What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and I'm back at it again with another Marry Me recipe. This is a mouth-watering salmon drenched in the most amazing Tuscan-style cream sauce. This dish is ready in about 20 minutes, and it's so easy to make. For that cream sauce, I have heavy cream, flour, butter, and spices. You can check out the description box below for detailed measurements of everything I'm using. I'm also going to add some fresh spinach along with freshly grated Parmesan reggiano cheese. I don't get the bag stuff, I grate it myself, along with some sun-dried tomatoes. And then I have about 24 ounces of salmon here. I've sliced those into smaller pieces, and I'm going to drizzle the salmon with olive oil. And then I'm going to sprinkle my spices throughout. I like to also rub these into the salmon skin so that that flavor penetrates into the salmon and those spices don't just stick out on top. And I'm going to air fry this salmon. You can also bake it or pan sear it. Check out the description box below for all of those other methods. But I bake this at 370 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And while that's air frying, I like to get started on the cream sauce. So that's one of the keys to keep this a 20-minute recipe. Start with the salmon. While that salmon's cooking, you can make this delicious cream sauce. And it starts with melting butter in a pan. And then to that, I'm going to add in the flour and stir everything until it's combined. This will create a roux, and it's going to thicken up the cream sauce. From there, I'm going to add in the heavy cream. You can also use half and half here if you like. Going to give everything a good stir, and then I'm going to sprinkle in the cheese, the sun-dried tomatoes, and the spinach. The spinach is going to wilt down a ton, and it also gives this sauce just an amazing pop of color. Not to mention you're getting some fresh veggies into the meal as well. It's just the ultimate win. So keep stirring until that sauce thickens and that spinach is fully wilted. And then that is it. Serve this salmon drizzled in that amazing sauce. I guarantee you everyone is going to absolutely love it. It's called Marry Me for a reason.